Hey guys, back at the BD booth with Christian Roth here. So we're talking about the Venom dual fuel kit. I heard this baby will get you over 600 horsepower. Is that true?
Exactly. So the dual fuel system is actually set up. So you run two CP3s, can get upwards of a 600 to 1200 to even 1800 horsepower gain. So then that's using the R900 12 millimeter stroker pump. So we're pretty happy with this kit. It actually has some of the best price per horsepower on the market compared to our competitors. It's actually a real quick and easy install. Works from 2004 and a half all the way up to late model trucks. We're pretty pumped about it.
That's amazing. So price-wise, what's this going to cost me?
It actually ranges. It can cost as low as just over $1,000 all the way up to about $2,000.
Nice. And where can somebody find this?
Check us out at bddiesel.com or call 1-800-887-5030.
Awesome. There you have it. Go get some more horsepower. Look these guys up.